It's like, I'm a Ducati. You're not a Ducati.
So
It's just
this is a morning, everyone.
money.
Just morning. We're leaving our campsite.
Check out my bags. Check out my bags. Bag check.
Bag check. Very perky.
That's baggy.
Me, 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 me.
Okay. Oh yeah, they're like flying, dude.
Oh, stop it. Ah.
Sexy bag check. This is why you listen to our channel. It's got nothing to do with where we are. Look at the beautiful views. It's all about the bag check. Bag check and chatting shit.
Those of you people probably saying, oh, you shouldn't be riding a bike if you can't handle it. I can handle it, it's just a bit heavy with all the shit on. And plus I got short leg syndrome, so stop all y'all. No, I'm joking.
She's not like really short, she's just got diddy little legs.
Yeah.
She's like all body.
All top, no legs.
Little midget legs.
Oh,
But she's
dear.
still sexy.
Sexy body. Sexy body, no legs.
No legs.
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
All right.
A little bit of a stroll on the road. That's business
Um,
day.
So we're leaving Timu, a very place Timu.
It was lovely. If anybody's coming to Timu and they want to camp, you have to check out this campsite.
Oh God, yeah,
In the description.
yeah. The people are so lovely as well, like so accommodating.
Family-run business.
Yeah, just really chilled, really chilled. You know, as campsites like rules left, right, and centre. It's just like, you know, no queues for the showers.
Oh,
Wonderful.
hello. Oh, forgot about this bit.
That's alright.
2 for
That was
8
intense.
kilometres.
So anyway, yeah. So we're here. We've been here for 3 nights, and the last 2 full days we've done quite a few passes without luggage, and that was wonderful.
Yes, sir. And
And
today we're off to Bolzano and then Innsbruck. But Bolzano is the gateway to the Dolomites, and the Dolomites are beautiful. If you ever come to the Alps,
you have to
don't
do.
forget about the Dolomites because
Yeah,
they are
I don't think you'll miss. Or yeah. Oh.
You can go to the far eastern edge of the Alps, but it's so good. So I'm gonna go and have a bit of a mooch around there. Oh, my baby is sounding so lonely today. Honestly, I don't know what it is about the Alps, but every time I come to the Alps, it's the second time I'm both Mother Ganoush and something's always wrong. Last time I had an oil leak that decided to leak all over my back wheel. So,
She didn't have an oil, people. She just didn't know how to use the dipstick.
no, I did. It was coming from the counter shaft seal.
No, but you only recently found out that you don't have to tilt your bike, and then you put too much foil in it. So we had to tip her bike upside down on the Switzerland road
Oh, yeah, no,
because
that
Hannah
was
Babsky was paranoid. She had no oil, so we topped it up, and we had to tip her bike upside down. Can you imagine that? Like 5 other girls tipping a bike upside down.
Also, though, do you remember I had a metal dipstick and the oil got shot?
Oh,
and
yes.
The oil was like rolling
It was
out.
all about the fashion. She got this lovely red dipstick.
I know, it was like anodized, beautiful dipstick, but actually pretty freaking useless because you can't actually see any oil in it 'cause it was one dipstick.
And whenever it got hot, the oil ran off it, so that's why it looked empty all the time.
Yeah.
And also, our tyres, I mean, we've done a lot of miles. I'm running on Road Smart 3, and Anna's running on,
Metzler M7RRs.
yeah. And honestly,
Honestly.
it's just, yeah, it's done us proud. Done us
Really
proud.
And these tyres have done a track day before we came
Yeah.
out on tour, and I've been thinking that I need to get some new tyres for a while now because they're getting a little bit low, but they just keep going and going and going and going. And they just been grip and they're good in the wet and it's just perfect.
See, that's the one where we came up and down.
Yeah, up and down. I went up and
You,
down.
you see those ski lift there, over there, people?
Oh yeah.
That's
It
where-
goes literally to the top of that mountain
Yeah.
in the background.
It's
just such a little ski
pretty
lift.
amazing. And this is where you get the ski lifts from, as you can see.
Yeah.
Loads of stuff to do for kids. I mean, if I had time, I'd probably be on those. Oh, look at that view. My goodness me. I am looking at the road as well, people. I can split my eyes. I got one looking at the road, the other one looking at the top. So don't worry, I am paying 50% attention on the road and 50%. No, I'm joking. Peripheral visions, innit? Peripheral visions. Dionysi, look at you. Here's all of our Denise.
I love Denise.
Oh,
I'm again Denise.
it's a little bit chills. So in the mountains, you just bring all your clothes. It's not like freezing like Norway, but it does get a bit chills at night, which is quite nice actually, because it's quite refreshing.
Yeah, last night was
So Babski, take over.
nice heavy socks.
Gosh, she had a tight hiney.
I know, right? I was looking at it.
I am looking at the road, people, just saying.
So lots of cyclists there. Oh, Maggie's feeling so happy today. Honestly, hates the heat more than I do. Oh my god, check this one out. Oh.
Oh, God. There you go, people. We were down there somewhere a moment ago. Oh yeah, it is quite long, isn't it?
Oh, he's cheating. He's got
Oh, we're both cheating. You got electrical bikes.
she says, we've never done mercy in ours. Hey, so long! Oh, bloody Nissans. Coming in! Ah! Ha ha!
Right, I'm gonna turn off now. We shall see. See you soon.
Evidence of being arses.
Ciao for now. What is the name of this?
Passo Tonale.
Passo Gardena. Oh, look at her. She's done her homework today, ain't she? She's had her homework, you Bex.
Oh yeah. Passo Tonale. In Italian.
So, in English, it's Passo Gardena.
So that little bowl up there, this is my geography actually, that little bowl up there in the middle of the mountains.
Yes.
The birthplace of
Jesus?
yeah,
Sorry, carry on.
that's quite
But
wicked. It's actually where Jesus
even
was
when baby
born.
Jesus was born.
Yeah, he plummeted from the sky and that's the massive
Sorry,
dish.
people, I'm no way in any shape or form taking the piss. I'm Roman Catholic myself. You know, let's not talk about religion, but I am. You know, I'm no way taking the piss. We just
Do you remember that place that we
we
went
just
to?
like
The
to be
guy was
happy.
like- Do you remember the place we went to? I think it was in Slovenia. And the guy was like, you.
Oh yeah,
And then he looked at me and went, you Protestant.
yeah.
And
So,
I was like, oh.
well, yeah. So we're in Slovenia. It's a very oh god, it was the middle of nowhere, and the locals. You know, this guy who was chatting to was probably like 110.
Oh, it was so sweet.
It was really sweet, and then he was like pointing at me, going Indian. I was like, no, Philippine. I'm from the Philippines. And then the other guy said, oh, so you're Roman Catholic? Yes, Roman Catholic. And then pointed at Hannah saying Protestant. I'm like, come afterwards. I was a bit like, it's a little bit, it's a little bit, yeah. There you go. You know.
They knew his facts there, I suppose, because there's like,
Yeah,
there's
for
like
sure,
English,
yeah.
So it was like, oh, you must be Protestant.
Yeah.
I'm not.
But yeah, so anyway, let's not talk about religion, but let's talk about religion. But no. Yeah, so it's oh, I have been recorded.
Oh, what? You remember when I said money square?
And again. Can you stop talking and look for somewhere we can stop and get that thing in the background?
What thing in the background?
That massive rock you keep to see.
You keep talking about? Okay. That one. There's loads of them. There's loads of them.
Well, that major one over there. I think that's the star of the show, isn't it?
Yeah, isn't it? This one that we're in the middle. Why would you circle up and then drive down? Oh, Hannah. Keep going round. Yes, sir! This is gravelly and sidewaysness and...
In 600 metres, turn right onto Passo SS 242.
Oh, okay, hold on. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm coming right behind you.
You come right behind me.
So we're in Dolomites.
Look! You can't see anything. Oh, yes, you can. Over there. And over there.
Road was very fun to get up here. Definitely worth coming for. I mean, we can put
Yeah, we can put a link in the description
That's
to
the
say where we are and which road we've come up on. But basically, we're on the SS 244, and I think it
Sounds
started off
stunning.
as the 242. So you there's two roads that follow parallel in the valley bottom below, and it's just a bit rubbish. So we decided to do a bit of a detour, hour and a half, and come up here, and very, very worth it. Love the Dolomites, absolutely one of my favourite
Yeah.
places. It's just so dramatic. Still got about 2 hours left to ride, so we're going to ride to our destination, which is near Innsbruck, and then we might do a little bit of a video then if we're not too tired. And then tomorrow we're off to a castle in Germany, ChezAnnah's fairy tale castle. She's so hardcore. Anyway, so yeah, hope you're all safe and speak to you soon.
ciao for now.